Mount Etna erupted again, and this volcano is in Europe, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, and in Europe also. And the eruption of it is just normal. It's just erupting. People in Sicily are playing there down there, playing the football. And yeah, this is a different setting than the volcano in the Hawaii or Canary Island. As you can see, is more ash and not much lava anyway. And the setting is that the African plate is pushing under the Eurasian plate, and this has created the island of Sicily. Is a volcanic island similar to this here that we can see is a subduction of the African plate, the oceanic part of it, down under the Eurasian plate. The resulting volcano is the Etna.